Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We'll start off here. So look, we had this zone back in February. It broke out of that zone, and it's really coming back in to retest the top of that zone. So you can see the top of the range here. Coincides basically with the 200-day exponential moving average, which we talked about getting a test yesterday. They took it down much deeper than that to 43.82. They literally just had CPI come out, and we've seen it go from the 50-day simple moving average at 44.16 up to the daily pivot at 44.35. So a little bit of a hop. Let's go to the hourly chart. But my point is they're coming back to retest the top of this zone. I will be very interested to see if an area like 43, 40 to 41, if that can, if that can hold itself throughout the day, or whether the bears can convert this 200-day exponential and slip back inside this box. Because if they stay inside this old box long enough, we're going to go down and retest the bottom of the box, which is a nice little move into the 4140s if they can make it happen. Hourly chart, you can see the 50 here. This is CPI. They're moving it up and out of there. So they've really been slowly taking it higher since the Europe Open. There, a little spike down on the Europe Open, 43.82 quarter, and then a steady build. We had a nice little short into the close yesterday that we had, most of the overnight. We rolled down some stops and we took it off. So right now we're flat. I've been avoiding really trying to get in front of these economic numbers related to inflation. It's no different than trying to guess reaction on a jobs report or trying to guess reaction on the Fed. They tend to make a decision and try to run away. But I was just saying in the room, we didn't, at this point, I'm not going to chase. And I didn't want to flip a coin beforehand to see what the reaction was going to be. It just didn't really come back and give us an opportunity to be there. I guess if I was a little quicker on the draw, it'd be against 44.30. But we had such a big Monday, and it's a short week. I didn't really want to get that one wrong. But the underlying thing with all of it is there's still plenty of volatility to go around for us to be able to hit our numbers every day. So that's all we're really focused on is hitting those goals. So hourly chart, let's see if the the bulls rather can keep going here. They didn't look good yesterday on any kind of a move into this, They had a little 10 a.m. move up into 44.50. They couldn't hold that. I think this is going to get a retest. So we'll have to see what the bulls look like at 44.50 to 44.60 or 44.65, if they can stay, if they can hold that price, if they can maintain it, or whether we're just going to go up and the balloon's going to come right back down to where we've been. If it comes in, then I really can't stress enough the need for the bears to close it again below the hourly mid-band. They did it yesterday. They did it on Friday. So that would be 3 closes below the hourly mid-band. If they can get that done, then that's certainly some consistency with regard to how the day is finishing. And that's always a big thing for me. Who's controlling the closes? Who is controlling the closes? And with the exception of last Thursday, the bears have controlled it. Last Monday and last Thursday, the bulls kind of controlled the close. Certainly on Monday, Thursday sort of, but that was it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, yesterday, the bears have controlled the closes, which is always a good window into who has ultimate tape control. And if the bears can just hold, go back to the daily chart. If the bears can just hold, you've got every moving average, 9, 20, 50, and 100, all consolidated here. They tried to be support. That didn't work. Bears had a good day yesterday. Straight down to the 200. Okay. Now you want to fight over the 200, that's fine. But if the bears are going to ultimately win the move deeper, that 50, 100, the 20, and the 9, that all has to stay sealed off. So you can have these little economic pops, but ultimately you need to see them faded back and ultimately into lower lows. All right. Everybody have a great day. Very briefly, volume weighted average price 08 quarter, proprietary moving average 12 quarter. It's all sitting in this area with the hourly mid band, which is coming in the 06s. So that I think we probably get a look at that again this morning, and we'll take things from there. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.